I'm Dr. Nervon Askari, founder and medical director at Radiant Health Family Medical Center. The first Wednesday of every month, we typically have an open house for new parents and new patients. One of the most common questions that I'm asked is, do I have to vaccinate my child? Or some other question concerning childhood vaccinations or immunizations. Here at Radiant Health, we're aware of the growing concern that parents have about autism, attention deficit disorder, and other behavioral problems that have been associated with mercury or vaccines. We're aware of this alarming trend, and we're committed to help stop it. Fortunately in Georgia is still one of the states where you can philosophically object to your child being vaccinated. But the concept of vaccinating or immunizing is not a bad concept. It's medically sound. It's a way of letting the body develop antibodies to help fight off diseases that might otherwise cause death or permanent damage. Our problem is that the vaccines that are currently on the market are not quite safe products. So in other words, if we had a better product, we could do better at preventing these childhood diseases in our children. There are better products. Homeopathic medicine has been around for decades. In fact, it's the founding principles of most vaccines and immunizations, the concept of like cures like. Expose the body to a little bit of something to help the body recognize it and develop its own defense mechanism to fight off a lot or a pathogenic or a detrimental amount of that same substance. That's briefly and sort of simplistically the concept of vaccines. There's also the concept of homeopathy. In homeopathic medicine, there are what we call nosos or remedies that help the body defend itself or prepare itself for the same kind of childhood illnesses that we see in the traditional, conventional chemical immunizations. That's one alternative for some parents. Another alternative may be to have your child what we call muscle tested or use kinesiology to find out if your child is at risk for any adverse effects from these vaccinations. If so, you may choose to adopt a delayed schedule or get some vaccines but not other vaccines. A third strategy is to follow the typical vaccine schedule adopted by the American Academy of Pediatrics and supplement your child's ability to fight off any adverse side effects using homeopathic remedy. One good homeopathic remedy for that is called Vaccine Core. It's called Vaccine Core because it was developed with a combination of homeopathic remedies like thuja, and drainage tone, adrenal support, and immune support to help fight off any kind of reaction to the metals or other toxins that are in vaccines traditionally. If you have further questions about vaccines, there are several good websites that you can go to. There are very good books, pro and con vaccines. You can gather them from the American Academy of Pediatrics. There's a wonderful tag on our website as well that helps you learn more about vaccines and to help you develop an individual strategy for you and your family. And you always are welcome to stop by and discuss your concerns about your child's vaccine with us here at Radiant Health Family Medical Center. We hope this advice has been helpful for you because our motto, again, is to learn it, live it, get results, and love it. Thank you.